Good morning, my dear children. Hope you are fine and completing your copies at home. Today, I am going to teach you part 2 of chapter number 6. We need shelter. So, get ready. So, children, take out page number 33. Okay, we are going to start the topic parts of a house. Children, an ideal house has different rooms for different purposes. Every house has different rooms which fulfill particular purpose, which we are going to study looking at the picture only. So put finger wherever I am reading. Parts of a house. Parts of a house. A house has many rooms. It has a roof on top. Each room in a house has walls on all sides and floor at the bottom. A house has many doors and windows. Yes, children, you can imagine at your home also. You are sitting at home now. As I'm reading, look at your surrounding, look at your home carefully. You will find that there is a roof. What do you mean by roof? Underline the word roof. R-O-O-F. Roof. It means ceiling. छत. इसके बिना घर नहीं बन सकता. And each room in a house has walls on all sides. Yes. If there will be no walls, if there will be no roof, we will not be protective. Okay. Floors where we walk. Floors at the bottom. Bottom मतलब नीचे. Okay. नीचे क्या होता है? Floor होता है. जमीन होती है. A house has many doors and windows. Of course, without doors and windows, we will not imagine our house, because it's very important to get fresh air and proper sunlight. Now, children, come to the beautiful picture which is given over here. Yeah, it is picture of a house. It's picture of a house. In this picture, every part of room has been divided particularly, and with arrow mark it has been mentioned clearly which room it is. So let's begin. Okay. So shall we start with the entrance? Yes, entrance. This is called entrance. जहां से हम अंदर जाते हैं, from where we enter to the room, it is known as entrance. Okay, to enter to the room. Now come to the next room. It is drawing room. Drawing room. Okay. Here we entertain the guest and watch television together. Now come to the next room. It is kitchen. It is kitchen. Children, here we cook food. Now, children, come to the next room. It is dining room. Here all family members eat meal together and enjoy the same. Okay. Now come to the next room, children. It is your bedroom, where we take rest. Whenever we feel tired, we take rest in the bedroom. So it is bedroom. Now come to the bathroom. Bathroom. Yeah. All family members take bath in the bathroom. Now come to the chimney. Yes, it's very important, whenever your mama cook food, so smoke or steam comes out. So chimney helps to remove all smoke and steam from the house. Okay, children. So chimneys, let smoke and steam come out of the house. Now, you can see the window. Okay. Now, what is use of window? It is mentioned over here. Windows allow fresh air to come in. Yes. If there will be no window, we will not get proper fresh air and oxygen. So, it is very important role. According to room, proper number of windows or doors होने चाहिए हर घर. Now, come to the roof, which I have discussed already. Roof shelter the house from rain. Yes, children, imagine you have bedroom, you have kitchen, you have drawing room, you have bathroom, everything you have. But if there will be no roof, so will you be protective? No, you will not protective because पानी आएगा तो सब भीग जाएगा. So home or our house protect us from heat, rain, cold, winter, heat, cold, rain, thieves, and wild animals. Okay, or stray animals we can say. Now, walls separate the rooms in the house. Yes, if there will be no walls, we will not be able to सेपरेट द रूम. जैसे अभी हमने इसको बना दिया ड्राइंग रूम, डाइनिंग रूम, किचन बना दिया. अगर वॉल्स नहीं रहेंगे तो हम रूम्स को सेपरेट नहीं कर पाएंगे एंड इट विल लुक लाइक अ हॉल ओनली. ओके, सो वॉल्स separate the rooms in the house. Floor. Now come to the next point. Floor is the surface. Surface निचली सतह होती है. It is bottom part we can say. Bottom part of the home. Surface of a room that you walk on. जहाँ आप चलते हैं वो होता है surface, वो होता है floor of the house. Hope you understood the concept very well, children. Now, children, let's read fact and here. All rooms in a house must get proper sunlight and fresh air. Yes, children, I taught you that rooms in a house must get proper sunlight and fresh air. And for this, what is important? Doors and windows are important. Okay. Now, next to the come to the next topic. People who make our house. Yes, children, building a house is very difficult task. Even many people work together to build a house. So let us learn about them. You can see the beautiful pictures. With the help of that, we will learn easily. Okay. So at first, look at the pictures carefully. Then we will start studying. See, labor and mason. Laborers are bringing mixture to lay on the bricks. Now you can see an architect over here holding scale, paper, pen. Now you can see mason, carpenter, plumber, electrician, and painter. Now let's read about them. While making our house, first step is to make a drawing of a house or make a drawing of a home. So who plays vital role while making drawing? An architect. An architect. Underline the word architect. An architect draws a plan and make the design of a house. Yes. So architect make a design of a house. With the help of that, we make our home accordingly. Okay. Now next is a mason. You can see he's laying mixture on the bricks, or you can say the home is built by mason only. Okay. Bricks. He make different parts of home, ceiling and everything. A mason lays the bricks and cement the walls, floor and roof. basic work is done by the mason, we can say. So he lays the bricks and cements the walls. Okay, he complete his work related to the floor and roof also. Now come to the next point. You can see the carpenter. He is making some window or door. Okay, so a carpenter makes things of wood. लकड़ी से related जो भी सामान होगा, जो भी wooden work होगा, it is all done by the carpenter only, like doors and windows. Plumber. A plumber fits the water pipes, sinks, and taps. Yes, wherever you have requirement to fit water pipe, sink, or tap, all work is done by the plumber only. Now, an electrician. An electrician fits the electrical wires, lights, fans, and bulbs. Children, whatever work we have at home related to the electricity, all is done by the electrician only. Underline the word electrician. Now, painter. See, he is holding paintbrush and paint. A painter paints the walls, doors, windows, and ceiling. Children, when the home is complete, all the things are completed, we need to everybody wants that their home should look beautiful. So painter paints the walls, doors, windows, and ceiling, which increases or enhances the beauty of the house. So have you seen how much difficult task is to build a home? Now, Saina wants to know, name two more things a carpenter makes in a house besides doors and windows. So carpenter और क्या क्या बनाते हैं? You have to write over here. So just think about it. Yes. You can write anything, children. I am writing from my side. Okay. So he makes almirah, or we can say cupboard. Whatever you feel easy, you may write over here. Almirah or cupboard, whatever you feel. Now you can write over here table or chairs. Table also he makes for the home. Okay. Now children, you can write by your own. Take out page number 35 and read after me. Okay. A good house. A good home. A house where a family lives is called a home. जहाँ हमारी फैमिली रहती है, हम उस जगह को home कहते हैं. Okay. It is a place where we rest and play together. We must keep our home clean. Yes, children, home is a very special place where we take rest, where we play, or where we enjoy with our family members. We forget every stress when we are with our family. Now, children, in this topic, we are going to discuss how to keep our home clean. Some points are given over here, and let me tell you, these are the answer of this question. You know, you can write by your own. I will not do it. You have to do by your own in your rough copy. So listen every topic carefully. First, dust things every day to keep away insects. Yes, children, we should dust everything every day. क्योंकि नहीं तो कीड़े मकोड़े आ जाएंगे like mosquitoes, cockroaches. So to keep these insects away from home, we should dust things every day. Keep your house free from cobwebs. Children, what do you mean by cobwebs? Underline the word cobwebs. It means that a spider's web, मकड़ी का जाला होता है ना, and especially when old and covered with dust. जब मकड़ी के जाले में धूल मिट्टी लग जाती है, it is known as cobwebs. Whenever we see the cobweb, whenever we see the spider's web, we should remove it immediately. Keep things in their proper places. Yes, many are having habits when they study, they never keep the books in their bags. When we take bath, they throw their wet towel here and there. So after completing our work, we should keep our things in their proper places. Do not scribble. Underline the word scribble. Do not scribble on the walls. Yes, we all, many of the children are having habits to scribble on the wall. Scribble यानी क्या होता है? To drag on. कुछ भी गोदागादी करना, कुछ लिखना walls पे color से. So we should not do it because it makes the walls dirty. Okay. Empty and clean dustbins regularly. Yeah, it is a normal thing that whenever we work, garbage will be there. So we collect the garbage in the dustbins. We should clean, we should empty the dustbin regularly to keep the diseases away from us. Sweep and mop the floor every day. Yeah, घर में झाड़ू और उसको पोछा लगाना is very important to keep our home or house clean. Okay, so sweep means झाड़ू लगाना, mop means पोछा लगाना. We should do it every day. Keep the surroundings of your house clean. You know, children, many are in habit to clean their own home, but they think that only their home should be clean. और अपना जो कचरा है वो बाजू वाले के घर में डाल दो या बाहर सड़क पे डाल दो. It is not like that. We should keep everything. We should keep our home clean. We should keep our surrounding clean. We should keep our society clean. Okay, children. So it is our responsibility to clean our home, our colony, our society clean. Okay. So children, hope you understood how to keep our home clean. And I told that one question is there. Okay. So let me read the question. How should you keep your houses free from diseases? Children, you have to write in your rough copy by your own. Okay. Because answer is here. I have explained everything. So now it's time to complete exercise. See, question answers are there. True or false are there. Okay. Now kinds of houses, flow chart is there, and activity also. Children, you have to complete this exercise by your own. In the next class, we are going to discuss the same. So dear children, hope you understood the chapter very well. Again, I'm repeating the homework. You have to complete book exercise neatly. In the next class, we will discuss the same. Till that, keep smiling, be safe, and God bless you. Thank you.